Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weekends make their move. By 9:15 I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, the future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. He said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trades daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, 'cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free.
hari. Sawa, sawa. low in my mind, yeah. Kwaheri Zanzibar. Kwaheri Zanzibar. usiku. Blue Lagoon. La la salama. Zanzibar. bahari. Sawa, sawa. Bahari. Sawa. usiku. Usiku, usiku. Zanzibar. Aye.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. See a lot of you in here already. See Austin's in a trade. Let's have a great Tuesday. I think many of you had a good Monday, good trades yesterday. We'll get into that in just a little bit. Pull up my screen here and take a look at Austin's trade as it moves higher. I got nothing on overnight. Looking at ES and Q as always. So if you're joining us pre-market, hopefully you'll join us in the open as well. We got 45 minutes still, but we're going to jump over to ASFX TV where we're live every morning. So hopefully you guys join us over there for free. The link's in my bio. But looking at ES, did take the overnight view up as you just saw on Austin's screen, and Q, not so much, but way weaker. It actually did take out the previous day's low. So shorts could be on the table with that if we can stay beneath that yesterday's low, right? But NQ has been the weaker one the past week or so. So shorts do make a little bit more sense. Not that we want to take them, but it's been struggling to move us higher. Still making these lower highs. Definitely last week, Tuesday into Wednesday into Thursday. But yesterday, not able to make a higher high. Kind of did form another lower high. So we'll see if we can get the next lower low with that, right? Maybe take out last week's low from Thursday. Other than that, we're just going to trade on the right side of view up. You can see no buyers overnight above this overnight on NQ, but ES trying to make a break, maybe the second break above it. And it did not take out the previous day's low. So a little divergent look in there, which we've had plenty of times this week. We could even look at YM, new highs. So a little bit different all across the board. NQ down, YM up. ES could go up. It could come back down. We will wait and see. Still got plenty of time until the open. What strategy do I trade? This is fully VWAP. VWAP and volume levels. So you see this daily VWAP that I'm talking about is the black one from the changeover of day, which was 6 p.m. last night. And then we're going to add another layer of the New York VWAP, which doesn't come in until the New York Open. Right. So those are two key VWAPs, and really it's just trading the pullback. We can take a look at yesterday's trade real quick. This is not the one I took. This is on ES, but many of you do trade ES, so I still mark up all the ideas on how you could play it. Now, for anyone that's not familiar with it, my full strategy, Meta, whoever else asked, it's all available here on ASFX TV, which I'm also going to be live streaming on today. So if you go through Futures 101 by Austin and 2.0 from me, you'll understand the full VWAP strategy. But you also see that I don't want to take a trade in the first 15 minutes of the day. That's when the opening range is setting. These are the horizontal lines here, the high and low. So I don't want to take a trade, not even when it's just setting, but also without a break of that range. So there's a potential long here. There's just no break of the opening range yet. So it could be a little bit better, right? But the VWAPs themselves are telling us to long it. The fact that we're holding above this black daily VWAP and above the blue New York, right? So buyers are in control. Great. I want to be a buyer. Where do I want to be a buyer? It's always as close to the New York VWAP as possible, this blue one. So if you don't take a trade before a break, here's finally that first break of the opening range. It's a small wick, but that's a break. Then it pulls back to New York VWAP. Now you could be long. With the stop loss up bottom of range, give it all the room it needs to build higher lows, right? You don't want to put a stop loss right at that pin and then just lose without it looking bearish. If it looks bullish still, I want to be long. So there's another potential entry, right? This is all a markup of saying we could have bought it there, or maybe added into this position after you see it fully retest the daily VWAP as well. And then now buyers are back in control, and you're just trading the next leg of trend. All it is looking for a pullback to the VWAP, continue the trend. Take that to my NQ trade, continue the trend of it's nice and bullish because we're above both VWAPs, same as ES was, right? So break for a new high. If you're not long at the VWAP, I missed it. I need to be close to the VWAP, so let me wait for the pullback, then I'll catch the next leg, right? I don't want this part of the move. I want these two pushes back into trend. So we got a nice little scalp there. I don't believe it went too much higher. I know it did the rest of the afternoon. We can take a look at NQ real quick because I think there were some good lessons that we had on our Blackshirt Club call later in the afternoon. If we just rewind this, this is NQ. Let's go there. Let's rewind it so we get our VWAPs on the chart. So looking at the New York VWAP bounce, there was a couple of them. I took the first one, but I think it gave two more. One of them won, one of them lost. Looking at this was the version of my trade, right? You catch the break from VWAP, or you catch the pullback, you long it again. This is after my trade, right? I longed it in here and caught that pop. It moves sideways, buy it at the VWAP, not just floating away from it. You make no money if you just buy it up there, or you make very little, or you have to sit through sidewaysness and drawdown. Don't want that. But then it pulls back again beautifully. Now, this is, I think it was Vince on our Black Strip Club call, and it's a great question. We've talked about it plenty of times. If I just mark off the 3 times we touched the New York VWAP, it pays once, it pays twice. Not that it can't. It absolutely can pay a 3rd time, but there's just something about that 3rd and 4th bounce of trend continuation that they often don't just run as cleanly as the first 2 because it's so obvious. There's nothing wrong with the setup technically. If VWAPs are still in your favor, it's the same looking retest that you had 2 hours ago. Why didn't this one win? Other than maybe it was too obvious. That's just done for the day. That's not going to continue trending unless there's a strong catalyst. It's not like you wanted to short it. It didn't go much lower. It just kind of chilled within that area. So not a bad long if you took it. Just maybe try to catch the first or the second, or even maybe these 3 back here, right? And not have to take your first trade after plenty of opportunities already presented, you know? But I think ES didn't even pull back to VWAPs at all yesterday. It was all NQ. But clean, clean, clean. Very nice strategy. You marked out the 15-minute orb. So I don't mark off the 15-minute opening range. The indicator does that for me. But yes, I use the 15-minute opening range to answer your question. I don't. If you go, whoever Meta, all these questions are great. You can always fire off as many questions as you want. If you sign up for HFX TV, which is free right now, you can watch Futures 2.0 and even all my YouTube videos. I have daily recaps on all these videos and the strategy and the VWAP breaks, bounce, pullbacks, everything. So you'll learn everything that I trade and how I trade it once you go through here, because we're not targeting a certain amount of points. It makes no sense. I'm just looking to put money in my pocket. Then you look at ES, the same thing yesterday. So like similar how I'm saying this morning, we even look a little bit different. It was definitely buyers yesterday on ES. You move this VWAP, but no pullbacks to it until later in the afternoon. Look at that bad boy, right to it. Jeez, I think Cam on our Black Strip Club call took that while we were on the call, because it was wrapping up at like 2 o'clock right here. He said he was going to get in it, but you see the first break or the first bounce from it. This is only really the second bounce to it, so it's not like that 3rd leg of trend, right? But again, ES did make a new high in the last hour where NQ did not. So not just ignore the other one, but they are acting a little bit differently as they do some days, right? No new high, so a little bit weaker, but that's different stocks within it. Yeah, super clean over there. And this just goes to the point of like, you're not wrong on wanting to buy it. I just want to get as close to VWAP as possible, because if you buy it there away from VWAP, you make some money. If you buy it here away from VWAP, you can make some money. If you try to buy it here away from VWAP, just hoping it keeps on going higher, you find yourself getting the short end of the stick and it's ready to finally pull back. And there's the better price, you know? So it's almost like you can get away with buying it away from VWAP, but for how long? Because when's that bigger pullback inevitably going to come in? I don't want to fuck around and find out of like, yep, there's the time it's ready to pull back. Right when I decide to trade it, let me just see the pullback and then I'll trade it, you know? So I'll let this money go by, let it go by, let it go by. Okay, here's my opportunity, because now we're at VWAP. Now it's my turn to make money. No FOMO, you know? So hopefully you guys all had green days yesterday, green or flat. I don't want to really say any red days because there's no reason to short it through both of these VWAPs with bullish structure. And or I guess, yeah, if you only lost because you just bought it randomly. But if you played the bounces off VWAP like we did in the New York session on stream, I just don't see how you could have been red yesterday. Yeah, you got it. You got it, Meta. Yeah, it'll take reps. You know, you watch a couple streams, you watch the YouTube videos, you watch the course, and then in a week, 2 weeks, keep putting the reps in. You'll pick it up and be able to trade it. It's not complicated. Very simple, and that's good. Simple is repeatable. Thank you. Couldn't even pull back fully to the VWAP there. ES coming back down a little bit. Let's remove that. YM still up there. But how's everyone doing this week for payouts? I know it's only Tuesday, but last week a little bit of shortened week. Half of the week was July. Anyone close to payout? Take their first payout last week, this week? What are the big plans and big goals for July? Hopefully taking a lesson from June into July of a work on the thing that you're doing well in June that you want to continue doing well in July. Whether that's just not acting on your impulses, the size control that you have. There's so much stuff. James, $900 from a payout and instant funded. Beautiful. $900. Is that on a 50K, 100K? That's great. Keep it locked in. No rush. Doesn't need to be this week. You still got 4 more days this week. For $900, that's great. Meta, yeah, the indicator I'm using, you can see on the bottom here. You can get access to it, asfx.biz/indicator. Or you can go to the link in my bio, and it'll take you there, because this is our indicator. Pass some new combines. There you go. Fresh combines where they copy traded. Fresh. That's good. Yeah, the boys are cooking up a lot of accounts. We got our hands a lot of buckets. I know Austin's copy trading me, and Randy will be as well. So I think it is very important to have more than just one account with one firm, let alone just have one account by itself. You want to be able to have a little bit of risk on over here, maybe not so much over there. But then also, if you do choose to copy multiple accounts together, limit their risk to maximize the gains, still of taking it slow and steady, but not needing to trade so much, because you know that one trade this morning actually went to 4 accounts rather than take 4 trades, 4 individual trades to different accounts. If I make $1,500 buffer, I start taking daily payouts on the Elite Daily. Lit. So is that a fresh account? Nice. Get that buffer, start taking daily payouts. Yeah, you guys saw yesterday on stream, Austin took another payout from his TOF live account. So I think once you get in that position of over the buffer, or depends on what account you have, but to be able to take daily payouts is very nice. You know, it could be $150, $400 because it was a great day, $600 because it was a really good day and you sized up a little bit. Like, it's almost like you don't know how much you'll make. It could be really good. It could be good. Where with the instant fundeds and other accounts, like, you know what you stand to make. It's going to be $2,500 if you make $3,000. Boom, there's your payout. So it's cool. But with the way ES and NQ look different, I do watch both of them. I still heavily trade NQ more, but I read ES to help me get a clean read on things. So ideally, they'll run together here at the open, whether that's up or down. I don't really care. Just run together, because if they're divergent, then I'll be questioning my NQ long if ES is moving lower, questioning my short if ES is moving higher, you know? But it's good. I'm glad you guys are close to payout. There's no need to rush. It's only July 7th, and it's like, it seems so far, but June went by like that. I mean, we had the event in May. It's going to be almost 2 months from now, that event we did in Tampa, and that felt like a week ago. So it's like, oh, I don't want to wait 2 months to take a payout. It seems so far. It's like, it's really not. It's better to just go slow and steady than just rush and just always having to restart. I'm like, all right, new account on Monday. This is going to be the time. All right, blew that. New account on Monday. Here we go. This will be the time. It's just so draining, where it's like, if you had just gone slow, you could have still had that one account that's close to payout by going slow. Nate, did I have a good birthday? Yeah, I did. It's a good birthday weekend. It's always good that's tied to a holidays. And it was when I was in school as a kid. My birthday's in the summer, so I never had school on my birthday. That's good. And then now that it's still 4th of July, it's like you're normally relaxed already because it's a holiday, so it's good. I was normally just celebrated on 4th of July. Yeah, I got a lot of food yesterday after stream. And of course I got Chipotle. Come on. Come on. All right. How was your day, Nate? Can you celebrate for me? Moe's? Come on. What's the other one? Qdoba? Plenty of options out there, as long as you had something. Yeah, hopefully anyone I mean, I know you're on your extra YouTube, so I can't send the link, but screenshot it. This is the markup. This is the way I would read it. I think there's even another one. Like more circles. No, this was cleaner. On just where you could have bought it, where the stop would go, how to manage it. Not that you did it, but how could I have made more money today or lose less money? It's this way right here. And this is the actual trade that I took. So I'm covering all my bases of what I did and what I could have done. You should do that every day for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. What's up? Good morning. You're looking for shorts or long? I'm looking for nothing. I'm flat. It's pre-market. Once the open comes in, then I'll tell you. Because I don't know and I don't care. I don't go into the open with a bias because it's almost always irrelevant. It's never helped me.
I'm long.
Yeah. I'm looking for
someone's got to trade. Someone's got to make money here. You know, you can't win the lottery. What's the saying from that movie? You can't win the lottery. You got to make the money to buy the ticket. Something like that. That's you got to play the game. My light's all messed up this morning.
Unprofesh.
You know, I got to get a nice lamp. That's what I need because like it just gets so dark in here on these rainy days, like because of the room is brown. So it's like got to get a lamp.
Just like in the background.
Yeah, I just don't like how dark it gets behind, like over here in the corner, you know, as I put my sunglasses on. But now I got this light on me. So,
yeah.
Yeah, you had a good birthday? You were too busy to text us back yesterday, but I didn't yell at you. So were you happy I didn't yell at you for not texting me back?
What'd you text me?
Oh, we were texting in the group chat about some work stuff. You really are the group chat Tom now. It's okay. You just observe. You only speak when absolutely necessary. It's true. Am I wrong?
Speak when spoken to. I probably just didn't even see it yesterday.
Yeah, you were locked in. You were playing golf and eating pancakes, so I let you be.
Yeah, had a good workout. I was seeing stars. I was like, oh my god, we gotta go.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
just a good leg day.
Good. You don't get that in too often.
And then, yeah, had a good BSC call. And then, yeah, I called my family because it was my mom's birthday too. And all the family was over at their house because she turned 60. So it's big for her, I guess.
Big.
Not that she wants to be 60.
I guess, dude, it's definitely big, bro.
Yeah, but she doesn't want to be 60.
No, of course.
But yeah, it's a big number that you got to celebrate.
Big number you got to celebrate for sure. So yeah, I got the review ready for stream. We'll probably hang out here, for another 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll go get everything going for ASFX TV. And then I think today what we'll do is we'll open up that last hour back on social. So before you and me leave the stream, I'm going to open it back up and see how it does. Good numbers here this morning.
Yeah.
Randy's YouTube is the weakest.
I imagine it's more than 1,000 words. What's that? Pictures worth more than 1,000 words?
It's interesting, like the comments, you see the comments are from YouTube, but majority of our viewers are on Twitter. 662 on Twitter right now.
It's almost always on YouTube, these comments.
It's like, nice. I wonder if just Twitter people don't even see the live chat because I think you have to like swipe to it or something when you're live. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not a consumer of content too much like that. So I don't know.
Yeah, it's like actually like it's like commenting on someone's like actual tweet, like almost like responding back to it. It's like a permanent tweet that's always going to be there, you know, where this YouTube.
No, I think there's a separate live chat.
Is it? Yeah, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
John, I don't know. I didn't watch, but I heard it was embarrassing. 4-1, we got smoked.
Yeah, it was super bad.
Bad goalie or something, or bad all around?
No. Everyone played basically as bad as they could have possibly played. Like, I don't think they could have played worse if they wanted to play worse. The only goal we scored was off of a free kick, and it was deflected by their guy into the net. Should have really been an own goal because he was in the wall, and he jumped and flicked his head to, like, try to block it. And by doing that, it kind of touched the ball and deflected it, and the goalie went the wrong way. So, very lucky.
Oh, me not speaking? Yeah, that's true. I'll send a good meme or a good...
Like Marcus Aurelius. He's very stoic.
I just read it all. I consume it. I like to watch how people behave and speak.
I still have this nice gold pen from Propford Match. This is nice rose gold. It's a nice touch on the pen from the from my event.
This whole thing?
Yep. It's a good pen. I like a good pen.
Yeah. It's got the. Was it supposed to be like an eraser? Not really. Like, what's the
No,
soft part?
it's called a stylus. It's what you're
What, like
supposed to use if you don't
touchscreen?
want to. Yeah, if you don't want to touch with your finger.
Yeah, touchscreen.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Fancy. Yeah, we'll see if we can make some money. I was up a little bit here this morning while I was working out, and I was like, I think 75.90 is still my target minimum, you know, and I'm monitoring the trade, so I moved the TP up from 75.90. This is on
that low day, like 64.
It was lower, and I brought it up. Yeah, I know, John. I saw that they all did the Trump dance after they scored the 4th goal, bro. They scored in like the 93rd minute, very, very end of the game, and they went and did the Trump dance, just trolled the fuck out of us. Like, it's just. But yeah, maybe I just, like, you know me, dude. I love sports, but like maybe I just understand how to have reasonable expectations, and I think we were pretty delusional when Zlatan said on the like, he's one of the commentators. He said a week ago the USA had a chance to win. Like, that's delusional. Like, do you understand how? Like, if you watched the other game yesterday, it was boring, but it's boring because they are both so fucking good. Like, when Portugal played, some of their players played, I think, the best game they played in the tournament. Ronaldo did not, but some of them played the best game of the tournament versus Spain. Bro, both of those teams could be winners. Way more likely than the U.S. 9 times out of 10, they're beating the U.S. 99 out of 100 times they're beating the U.S. Maybe even 100 out of 100 times, both those teams. So it's like, to think the U.S. was on their level is just crazy. Belgium was in 3rd place in the second 2 World Cups ago. Pretty sure they finished in 3rd, bronze. Like, Belgium's good. They've been good. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it's just like it was going to end eventually. It was just one more round. Let's just go one more. So we have one more game.
Lose to Spain on Friday night. That's how I want to start. I'd rather lose yesterday and be done with it than have my Friday night kick off with us losing to Spain. Now we get to have a really, really good match Friday night and a really, really good match Saturday. We don't get a wash, because it would have been if we got wiped by Belgium, it would have been 8-0 to Spain with that team. They would have made us look like U13 boys, maybe U13 girls. Could have, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fucked, but it's fine. I mean,
thank you.
It builds popularity for the for U.S. soccer, which is good. You know, people are getting fired up about it, so that's good. It's going to take generations to be good, but like, to think that we would compete with them, it's just not going to happen. Other countries already run soccer. America's not going to run soccer. We'll be very good. It'll be entertaining, but we are not going to run it. These guys are taking the best Americans and putting them in academies at 6 years old. Like, it's not happening.
It was even crazy that we won the hockey. That was why it was so huge.
Yeah.
It was like, this isn't ours.
No. 100%. Hockey is more ours than soccer is ours. We're bottom of the totem pole soccer.
Yeah. It was like to beat Canada of all countries, but also to get through Russia and all these other.
It's crazy.
Hockey probably shouldn't have happened. So when it did, it's even more magical.
It's better we lost to Belgium than Cape Verde. What if Cape Verde beat us? That would be embarrassing.
No hope for the future.
Yeah, see, whoever that is in the chat said the 90s Brazil team. We were talking about that yesterday. Like, it's the same thing. Like, it's not even comparable. There's just, you know, there's moments. And we may be going through a Norway moment right now. We may be. Holland may change everything we think about soccer. This not intense, fun, goofy, tall, blonde dude taking the world by storm. What are you looking at, Ev?
Before we won the other day, the Yankees lost 8 straight.
What are you
What are we doing?
What are you gonna do about that? Like, no trades can be made anymore, right? Like,
Find Aaron Judge and get back out there, son.
Nah, I think
your
rib
is fine.
Hack it in.
How do you hurt a rib? Fucking hell, a rib?
Mm-hmm.
You're not getting punched. No one broke your rib. You're not wrestling.
You've never just walked into a Target and accidentally hurt your rib?
Yeah, when I'm reaching for the top shelf.
Like,
fuck. Yeah, it's always like his oblique. And I think it was some guy in the Phillies or some other team that they were comparing it to. They're like, when he had this last year, he was out for 2 months because the Yankees have gave no comment on how long it might take.
It's like turf toe.
So people are just saying, well, other guys that have gotten this for like 2 months. And so like a month and a half would be the All-Star break. So they're not going to bring him back before that. So we probably don't get him until like August.
What's the use of being that big?
Fine when he got hurt. We were holding first place, but now we're just fucked.
Dude, what's the use being that big if you can't take a little bruised rib? You know what I'm saying, dude? Yeah, you're big. It's that scene from that movie Troy where Brad Pitt stabs the big dude in the neck. It's like, you go down easy, dude. He took you. You're a big tough guy. Everybody's scared of you. Died in 36.2 seconds. You're dead. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, I mean, it's like Giancarlo Stanton's always hurt. He's just made of all muscle that it's very easy to just tear one.
Yeah, I mean, that is true. I definitely can understand.
He's
that.
always just hurt, but it's just like, all right, you're just a DH, so how do you even get hurt running the bases?
Right.
It's your only job is to lightly jog. Yes, I guess baseball is the only thing we got going now, but we'll watch the rest of the World Cup. It's in MetLife. See how of a shit show that is with all the. I mean, I assume it's going to be it's been just as crowded, but I haven't heard anything about like what people think of MetLife and just like the getting in and out of there because it's not very ideal, like transit and all that stuff.
Definitely not.
I'm sure they have like new bus routes just for this shit.
They probably shut it down and stuff like that. You know, certain roads are going to be redirected.
Yeah.
It's rough, dude. I mean, it's just too many people. Even when I went to the U.S. Open, like it was just so many people up there. You're better off walking. You get out of the Uber once you get close enough and just walk. It's crazy.
Rohan, what's up? Good morning. How'd you do yesterday? Take the trade with us on stream. Nice longs on ES and NQ yesterday. NQ gave some more in the afternoon.
Closer we get to market open, everybody, I'm going to bring this TP back down. See if we get any type of pop-up into the 90 before the open. I'll take that, you know?
Yeah, we got it yesterday.
I mean, my entry is smack in the middle of the range, basically, you know? So.
Yeah, NQ, I would like, even if I was going to short it today, I don't want to just sell it here at the lows. Like if the open does push us even just to right here, it's like I'm not shorting the breakout. But ES is still trying to hold up. But NQ's beneath yesterday's low, so I'm going to at least look to see if we hold below that. I don't want to short it above it up here.
Sure.
Even though it could be a lower high.
Sure.
Been all sellers though. No taps to the overnight since 10 p.m. No POC touch on ES. Very close.
Oh, nice, John. It's awesome. Good decision, dude. Welcome to the prop game.
Yeah. The nights are good. Slow and steady.
We
15%
got a lot.
Consistency.
We got a lot coming. Like, we have a new firm that we're onboarding next week that we're going to talk to you guys about that has a new instant fund that's coming out, a firm that's been out for a while. We're going to be promoting them. Hola Prime has a direct account. Hola Prime's the sponsor for today. So, like, we like to work with firms that offer instant funding. It's pretty much, at this point, a requirement. You know what I mean? Like, what firm do we promote that does not have instant funding? Because I think once you've taken payouts, instant funding is a better option for someone that can have a little bit of confidence in what they're doing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, the biggest thing is like the only perfect world where a challenge is good is like you're fully 100% confident. I'm going to pass this thing first try and then I'm funded. Where it's like many people buy the challenge because it's cheaper, but you end up spending 3 attempts on that challenge. So it ends up being around the same cost as an instant because just looking at it on the surface, instants are more, yes, but you end up probably spending the same amount because you failed 1 or 2 times. So it's like, well, then you just wasted time technically. So the time is worth spending more just up front rather than 2 weeks from now, spending the same amount slowly.
Yep. It's very true. Ev, if you want to go, I have new stream intros for you. I have a 90-second and a 5-minute.
I don't think I watched. Oh no,
yeah,
Ben's got a new song. Have you listened to that?
Yeah, and I don't love the song, and I don't love some of the other stuff in it. It needs to be edited, but we can use it for today. It's fine. It's fine for now. It's still, you know, I'm picky.
You don't have to use it.
No, I know, but we can try it. It's good. You wanna? We can wrap this up here. We've been live. Good numbers are great this morning. It's good to see everybody on X. Most of our viewers today on X. 730 people now. It's good. Yeah. I turned it on early this morning. I had it on while I was working out.
It's been live for 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
That'll do it.
There's a lot of bullshit people streaming. I saw it yesterday. I'm like, all these fucking losers streaming an Asia session getting 13 views. I'm like, let me come in and really give the people what they need, bro. I just feel obligated, Evan. Obligated. I'm looking at the footage from the fucking expo and I'm like, nobody does this like me, bro. It's like when you do it so well, you just got to give it back to the people, you know? Trying to earn my good graces with God. You know, I need a good front row seat in heaven.
Yeah. I mean, Bruce Wayne like tries to hang it up. He just can't. It's like,
Dude,
Gotham needs me. I wish I could just take off, but I can't. Just, it won't let me.
Basically, Robert Pattinson was supposed to go to the Taylor Swift wedding, and he said he couldn't go because he was filming Batman. And I'm like, okay, I kind of like him more now. You know, that's my Batman. So I'm like that. I have to go where they need me. It doesn't matter where I want to be. I want to be at the Taylor Swift wedding. You know how good the food probably was? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Go where they need me. All right. Well, I'm gonna leave then. Let's just wrap it. Everybody come to ASFX TV. Link in bio. Evan's gonna get us started in 7 minutes.
Yes, sir. See you guys on that first month free. So no excuse for you guys. First month and study
100%.
our futures 2.0. Anyone that was asking about our strategy earlier.
Yeah, it's there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you on stream, everybody.
See you, chat.